It's almost time for Burke County Public Library's summer reading program, which means it's time to get registered. If you participated last year, then your credentials are still good. All you'll need to do is log in using your username and password that you used last year. If this is your first year participating with us, I'm going to walk you through registration and all the different things that are part of that. So, when you register, the first thing you're going to choose is if you are registering yourself or yourself and other readers. If you are single and doing this all by yourself, you can choose the myself only option. If you are a parent or an adult who is responsible for other readers, you can choose this option. I'm going to choose this option just so I can walk you guys through what each one looks like. So, our first account that you're going to create with this is your primary account, whoever is owning the account and taking care of everybody else. So, for this is going to be our adult, and we're going to say you are over the age of 19 and are participating in the adult summer reading program. All you'll need to do now is fill in this basic information here, choose your username and password, and confirm it, and move on. All right, and moving on to our second reader, we're going to log in a reader who will be joining our young adult program. So you will always look for that YAS there and click continue. Once again, you will put in all of the information that it asks for here. Here you will notice that a username and password are not required. Once that primary account is anchored in, a username and password is completely optional. So if you have a teen who's going to be registering their own books and their own programs, you can make them a username and password. However, if you do have small children who are not going to be using any devices to track their own things, this is a completely unnecessary step for you. One thing that you will note with the young adult program is you do need to choose a team. Team Dinosaur or Team Dragon is this year's teams. Each year is a little different. Just make sure you choose one of those. Every book you read and every program you attend gives your team points, and we'll see who wins at the end of the summer. And finally, we're going to register a juvenile reader or a child reader. So first you're going to choose their age and their program and click continue. It's important to note if you do have a child who is going into the sixth grade in the fall, they will have the option to choose if they want to stay in the children's program through the summer or if they would rather go ahead and bump up to young adult. Either is fine. And once again, you are going to fill out all of the information here that has an asterisk. Choosing your library branch will let them know where to have your prize. Once again, you do have the option to create a username and password, but it's not required for a juvenile reader. And you can either click continue or done adding readers. Whenever you're done, it's going to drop you back over into that anchor account page. You will see a countdown up until the time of kickoff. If you want to look at other accounts, over here on the left-hand side of your screen, you can choose which account to check on. You can also update any information by clicking the account tab and the My Account option. And that's it. You are registered and ready to go for this year's summer reading program. If you have any questions or issues logging in, please feel free to contact any of our library branches.